So like I said before, I'd like to stay with the style tags, but I would like to just zero in again on just the second paragraph. So how could I do that? Well, what I could do is I could give that second paragraph what's called an ID. So you go into the opening tag, you give it an ID attribute, just come up with some name for it. How about if I just call it second? And now that's ID'd as second. And I can come down to the my CSS rules here. And so I want to get rid of that P because I don't want to style all paragraphs. What I want to do is I want to style the ID called second. But since this is not an HTML element name, I put a hashtag in front to indicate that this is an ID. And so this means style the element that has this ID with these rules. And so there you go. All right. So that's how you can use an ID. Let's say that we wanted to style, let's say, the first and third paragraph this way, or every other one or something like that. What you can do then is you can use classes. So if you have more than one that you want to treat in a special way, you can make them part of a class. So let's take the ID out of here. Go back to the way we had it. And I'm going to make the first paragraph part of a class. So I add a class attribute. What should I call it? Blue. And so then this will also be part of that class. And so now it's just up to styling those classes. So if I come down to my style section here, blue is the name of the class that I want to style this way. And to indicate that it's a class and not an ID and not an HTML element name, I put a dot in front. And now you can see that the first and the last are styled in this way. So classes and IDs, we'll use them. They're very important, very helpful. Okay, so I'm just going to take these ideas a little bit more in, I think, one more video, and then we'll get to styling a table. That'll kind of be our project for this playlist.